I have a 3D printer.
I like to make stuff.
And I also have a girlfriend. She asked me to make her a candle. So I did what any good boyfriend should do. And I overcomplicated it.
Son of a...
So this is how I made a candle with my 3D printer. To start, I printed out a nice little pumpkin. So hard, come on, there we go. Then I printed out a mold, but this was a mistake. You'll see that later. I used a bit of hot glue to hold the mold down. Then it was time to create a silicone mold. I bought this box of silicone rubber for mold making from Amazon. It was cheap and really easy to use. The mold was a simple 50-50 ratio of part A and part B by weight. I poured the mixture over my model, and this is where the issue started. The mold started to float, and the frustration kicked in.
Uh-oh. How do I fix that? I'm expecting it to float. Alright, let's see if this works. Push this down.
So if you want to see me get frustrated in the future, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below.
That didn't work at all. What a failure. Just stay down. It's not gonna work at all. Just stay. Alright, so yesterday had some problems with the mold, but I fixed it. I used these weights that I had. So these sat in there and they pushed the piece down, and you can see the silicone. See, that'll block the light. You can see there's still silicone on top of the piece. Like, it's completely covered, but I have these two big holes that were where these bad boys sat. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna fill these two holes with a little bit extra silicone, and hopefully after that I can get this model out.
So now that I fixed that problem, on to the next steps. Now on to the demold. This is where I ran into the issue I actually saw coming, getting the mold out. In the future, I would definitely make the mold in two parts.
Alright, this was the part I was most concerned about. Getting this bad boy out.
For most of my projects, I fly by the seat of my pants. But I actually did some research on this part and found the best way to cut a silicone mold is actually in a zigzag pattern. Now the easy part, making the candle. It's pretty simple. I got some cinnamon wax from Walmart, melted it over a pot of boiling water. I sealed the mold shut with a few rubber bands. Then you just pour it in and wait. After letting it sit overnight, you demold it, and you have a candle. And that's how you make a candle with a 3D printer. Still gotta figure out how to put a wick in this thing.